Hello student, welcome back to Edu8. We are discussing about solution. In this session we will discuss about the next part of solution. And next part is colligative properties. Ohomiyat kole drobor hoinkhagato dharmo. Now what are these colligative properties? These are the properties of dilute solution. When a non-volatile solute is dissolved in a volatile solvent, that means a solution of non-volatile solute, then the vapor pressure of the solution is lowered. So due to lowering of vapor pressure, some properties emerges. These properties are called as colligative properties. Now what are these colligative properties? Ohomiyat kole hoinkhagato dharmo. Jetia eta drobot onudai drabyo eta drobibhuto hoi thake, tetia hole tar baspio saptu komi jay. Aru baspio sap komar babe tat kisuman dharmo পোৱা যায় আৰু সেই ধৰ্মবিলাককে আমি সংখ্যাগত ধৰ্ম বুলি কওঁ এই সংখ্যাগত ধৰ্মবিলাক কি these are the properties of dilute solution which depends on the number of particles but not on the nature of particles nature of the solute তো দ্ৰব্যৰ প্ৰকৃতিৰ ওপৰত ই নিৰ্ভৰ নকৰে দ্ৰব্যত থকা কণিকাৰ সংখ্যাৰ ওপৰত ই নিৰ্ভৰ কৰে that is called as colligative properties আৰু আমি দ্ৰৱত চাৰি ধৰণৰ colligative properties পাওঁ these are এই চাৰিটা ধৰণৰ আমি colligative properties number 1 is relative lowering of vapor pressure বাষ্পীয় চাপৰ আপেক্ষিক অৱনমন অসমীয়াত কলে বাষ্পীয় চাপৰ আপেক্ষিক অৱনমন এলিভেশন ইন বয়লিং পইণ্ট উতলাংকৰ উন্নয়ন বয়লিং পইণ্ট তোমালোকে জানা এন্ড ডিপ্ৰেছন ইন ফ্ৰিজিং পইণ্ট তোমালোকে জানা হিমাংক বস্তু এটা গোট মাৰে বুলি কওঁ আমি ডিপ্ৰেছন ইন ফ্ৰিজিং পইণ্ট এন্ড ফাইনালি দিস ইজ অসমোটিক প্ৰেছাৰ ৰসাকৰ্ষী চাপ এটো ৰসাকৰ্ষণৰ পৰা আহে তাৰমানে অসমোসিছৰ পৰা আহে so these are the four colligative properties. These properties are basically used to calculate the molar mass of solute. দ্ৰব্য এটা থকা দ্ৰব্যৰ আণৱিক ভৰ নিৰ্ণয় কৰিবৰ কাৰণে আমি এই properties কেটা ইউজ কৰিব পাৰো ঠিক আছে so we'll discuss about the details of these properties all right okay let's start with the first colligative properties that is relative lowering of vapor pressure বাষ্পীয় চাপৰ আপেক্ষিক অৱনমন relative lowering of vapor pressure what does it means that the vapor pressure of solution is lower than the vapor pressure of pure solvent বিশুদ্ধ জলীয় পদাৰ্থ কে দ্ৰৱ এটাৰ বাষ্পীয় চাপ সদায় কম হয় ঠিক আছে now what actually happens is see suppose there is a liquid we are taking a liquid in which these liquid molecules are there everywhere and from the surface of the liquid some molecules going into the vapor state isn't it so this vapor molecule exerted a pressure that is called vapor pressure of the solvent বিশুদ্ধ দ্ৰৱকৰ vapor pressure যদি আমি তাৰ লগত এনুকা চাও যে তাত হেই দ্ৰৱটোত হেই দ্ৰব্যটোত লিকুইডটোৰ লগত যদি আমি তাত কিছুমান সলিড মলিকিউল এড কৰো যেনেকুৱা আমি যদি সলিড মলিকিউল কিছুমান এড কৰি দিও this solute which is non volatile because those who are converted into vapor state they are volatile substance those who are not converted into vapor state they are called non volatile now at the surface there are solid molecule as well as solvent molecule isn't it now what is the difference you have seen that in this pure liquid there on the surface there is only liquid molecule that means solvent molecules but in a solution containing non volatile solute at the surface number of solvent molecule decreases because a part is occupied by solid molecule so that is why the number of molecules going into the vapor state decreases so the vapor pressure of the solution in this case the vapor pressure of the solvent is lowered compared to pure state that is why the vapor pressure of solution is lower than the vapor pressure of the solvent all right now if we see if P1 is the vapor pressure of solvent in solution x1 is the mole fraction of solvent x2 is the mole fraction of solute. So x1 is the mole fraction of solvent, x2 is the mole fraction of solute. Then according to Raoult's law, you will find that P1 is equal to P1 naught x1, isn't it? P1 naught is the vapor pressure of the pure solvent. So P1 is the P1 naught into x1. But from mole fraction, definition of mole fraction, x1 plus x2, mole fraction of solute plus solvent is equal to 1. Sum of the mole fraction of all the component is equal to 1. That is what we have got in the earlier session. So we can write x1 equal to 1 minus x2. So here we can write P1 equal to P1 naught 1 minus x2, or P1 equal to P1 naught minus P1 naught x2. So P1 naught x2, simply bring it this side. Simple mathematics, P1 naught. So finally we are getting x2 equal to P1 naught minus P1 by P1 naught. So this is the relation we are getting. So what we have seen, that x2 is equal to P1 naught minus P1 by P1 naught. Now what is x2? x2 is the mole fraction of the solute. Now what is P1 naught minus P1? P1 naught minus P1 by P1 naught is equal to relative lowering of vapor pressure. Do you understand? Vapor pressure, relative lowering of vapor pressure. So relative lowering of vapor pressure is equal to the mole fraction of the solute. It may be asked in the examination. So that relative lowering of vapor pressure is equal to the mole fraction of solute. Now what is x2? What is x2? If you look at this, what is x2? Is the mole fraction of solute, means number of moles of solute and total number of moles of both solute and solvent. Now it is a properties of dilute solution. For dilute solution, number of moles of solute is very very less. Dilute solution বুলি কলে, dilute solution লঘু দ্ৰৱ বুলি কলে তাত দ্ৰব্যৰ সংখ্যা যথেষ্ট কম থাকে, মোলৰ সংখ্যা যথেষ্ট কম থাকে, আৰু that can be neglected compared to the number of moles of solvent. So instead of writing n1, n2 plus n1, we can simply write as n1. So x2 to ki hobo? What will be x2? x2 will be n2 by n1 plus n2 means n1. Alright. So if you look at this, x2 equal to n2 by n1. Now what is n2? Number of moles of solute, which can be written as w2 by m2, and n1 is w1 by m1. So x2 is equal to w2 into m1 by w1 into m2. Now if we put this in equation, this is equation 1, put it as equation 1, this equation P1 naught minus P1 by P1 naught equal to x2, x2 equal to this. So from equation 1 we get P1 naught minus P1 by P1 naught is equal to W2 into M1 by W1 into M2. বুজি পাইছা নে? So that is the relation. So by knowing the lowering of vapor pressure, then we can find out what is the molar mass of the solute. Here we can find out the molar mass of solvent as well. So by using this we can do some numericals. Alright, let's see what kind of numericals that has been asked in previous year. Next is elevation in boiling point. অসমীয়াত কলে উত্তলাঙ্কৰ উন্নয়ন, elevation in boiling point, উত্তলাঙ্কৰ উন্নয়ন. Now before we understand about the elevation of boiling point, we need to understand what is boiling point. Boiling point. উত্তলাংক পদাৰ্থ এটা জুলীয় পদাৰ্থ এটা উত্তলাংক বুলি ক'লে আমি কি বুজো জেনেৰেল টেন্ডেন্সি যে 100 ডিগ্ৰী সেন্টিগ্ৰেডত পানী বইল হয় যেটো উষ্ণতাত পানী ভেপাৰ ষ্টেটলৈ যায় বা বাষ্পীভূত হয় হেতুকে আমি বইলিং পইণ্ট বুলি ইমান দিনে ধৰি আহিছো আসলতে কি হয় you see a liquid can go into the vapor state at any temperature isn't it at any temperature from the surface that process is called surface of থকা অনুবিলা সদায় কি হয় এটা স্বাভাৱিক প্ৰৱণতা আছে ই vapor state-লৈ যোৱা isn't it that process is called as evaporation and evaporation takes place at any temperature due to evaporation liquid are always in the vapor state now this will exert a vapor pressure to the liquid this vapor molecule exert pressure that is called as the vapor pressure and vapor pressure is found at any temperature of the liquid now as the temperature increases temperature jimane bari goi thakibo jimane ushnota bari goi thakibo himane ki hoy number of molecules going into the vapor state increases jimane ushnota baribo himane number of molecule going into the vapor state baribo as a result the vapor pressure go on increasing ushnota lage lage baspio sapto bari goi thakibo at a particular temperature at a nirdishto ushnotat ki hoy the vapor pressure of the solution of the liquid vapor pressure of the liquid become equal to the external pressure and in most common the external pressure bahir pora sab ki ase atmospheric pressure isn't it atmospheric pressure which is generally in terms of bar it is 1.013 bar that is the 1 atmospheric pressure so jetia the vapor pressure of the liquid become equal to the external pressure that is atmospheric pressure the liquid molecules not from the surface but from the bulk also go into the vapor state okol surface opora noy he usnotat bhitor pora jabo arambho kore tetia ami liquid to boil hoa boli kau so boiling point that is what is boiling point basically boiling point utolanko what is boiling point is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of the liquid become equal to the atmospheric pressure jitu usnotat bostuto julia padarthotor baspio sap tar baijik sapor saman hoy heitue tar hei julia padarthotor tar utolanko so boiling point is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of the liquid become equal to external pressure ठीक है vapor pressure of the liquid become equal to the external pressure that is the boiling point now what is elevation in boiling point elevation in boiling point is that the boiling point of solution is lower than that of the pure solvent বিশুদ্ধ দ্ৰৱক এটাত এগিলাস পানী ললো তাৰ এটা বইলিং পইণ্ট আছে তাৰ দ্বাৰা বইলিং পইণ্ট 100 ডিগ্ৰী সেন্টিগ্ৰেড তাত যদি মই অলপ নিমখ বা কিবা এটা ডিজলভ কৰো then it converted into solution the hey solution to boiling point to 100 ডিগ্ৰীতকে অলপমান বেছি হয় that is what is called elevation in boiling point let's see how it so happen let us have a diagram like this eto ami akilo yare ami y axis ot dhorilu vapor pressure और x axis ললো আমি টেম্পারেচার ঠিক আছে নাও এই পয়েন্টটো আমি স্থির কৰি ললো 1 atmosphere এটো 1 atmosphere বুলি আমি ঠিক কৰিলো নাও we understand that as temperature increases vapor pressure increases যিকোনো লিকুইডৰ ক্ষেত্ৰতে যিমানে টেম্পারেচার বাঢ়িব সিমানে তাৰ vapor pressure টো বাঢ়ি গৈ থাকিব সো এই লিকুইড যেনে ধৰি ললো আমি পানী vapor pressure বাঢ়ি গল আৰু এটা 100 ডিগ্ৰী সেন্টিগ্ৰেড এটা উষ্ণতাত হি বইল হ'ব যেটো উষ্ণতাত তাৰ বাহ্যিক চাপটো 1 atmospheric চাপৰ সমান হ'ব তাৰ যেটো বাষ্পীয় চাপটো বাহ্যিক চাপ 1 atmospheric প্ৰেছাৰৰ সমান হ'ব আৰু হেতুকে কওঁ আমি হেই লিকুইডটো তাৰ বইলিং পইণ্ট নাও ইফ ইট ইজ এ কন্ডিশন ফৰ পিওর সলভেন্ট বিশুদ্ধ জলীয় পদাৰ্থৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত তাত যদি আমি কিবা এটা দ্ৰবীভূত কৰি দিওঁ that become solution when it is solution আমি জানো the vapor pressure of solution is lower just now in the previous session we have seen যে দ্ৰৱৰ বাষ্পীয় চাপটো কম আৰু সেই কাৰণে vapor pressure of solution is lowered and increases with temperature, but it will not reach at 1 atmospheric pressure at the boiling point of the liquid. So it has to extend it to a slightly higher temperature, isn't it? Slightly higher temperature. That is the boiling point of the solution. So this is the boiling point of the pure solvent and this is the boiling point of the solution. So এই যেটো উষ্ণতাৰ পাৰ্থক্য দেখিলো যে এটো হ'ব তোমাৰ বিশুদ্ধ দ্ৰাৱকটোৰ উতলাংক আৰু এটো হ'ব দ্ৰৱটোৰ উতলাংক। এই পাৰ্থক্যটো কয় এলিভেশন ইন বয়লিং পইণ্ট। বয়লিং পইণ্ট, এলিভেশন ইন বয়লিং পইণ্ট, উতলাংকৰ উন্নয়ন। So elevation in boiling point is something like this. Delta TB is equal to TB minus TB naught. What is TB? TB is the boiling point of solution and TB naught solvent. Alright. Now this elevation in boiling point, elevation in boiling point is directly proportional to the molality of the solution. Elevation of boiling point is directly proportional to the molality of the solution. Now what is molality? Molality we can write it as W2 into 1000 by W1 into M2. Eto ami agote pai aisu, where W2 is the weight of solute, M2 is the molar mass of the solute and W1 is the molar mass of the solvent. Do you understand? Eto 2 বিলাক সবতে ড্ৰাইভৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত প্ৰযোজ্য আৰু 1 বিলাক সদায় দ্ৰাৱকৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত প্ৰযোজ্য বুলি আমি আগতে কৈ আহিছো। So we can directly write delta TB equal to a proportionality constant will come, that is called as KB, and KB equal to W2 into 1000 by W1 into M2. This can be used as a formula to calculate the molar mass from elevation in boiling point. Here what is KB? KB is called as molal elevation constant. Molal unnoyon dhruvok. Molal unnoyon dhruvok boli koi Asomiyat kale molal elevation constant. Now it can be calculated, this KB can be calculated by a particular, it is also called as ebullioscopic constant. Molal elevation constant or ebullioscopic constant calculate as it is R into M1. M1 is the molar mass of the solvent into TB naught is the boiling point of the solvent and it is 1000 into delta H vaporization. So KB is defined for different solvent. Belek liquid Juliet পদাৰ্থৰ বাবে KB ৰ মান বেলেগ হয়। ইয়াৰ একক হয় কেলভিন কেজি পাৰ মোল। ঠিক আছে, ইয়াৰ একক হ'ল কেলভিন কেজি পাৰ মোল। So by this relation, if we have been given the value of KB and we knowing the value of TB, that is delta TB, elevation in boiling point, then we can calculate the molar mass of solute, isn't it? Now I'll see what type of numericals may be asked from this part of colligative properties. All right. Is it?